Hi friends, this is Rahul. Welcome to my channel DIY Almost Everything. Today I brought a new product. This product is the Tyre inflator, air which we fill in our tires for bike, car, cycle, even football. This product I brought from Amazon. It costed me 350 rupees. I wanted a small size product. I already had an electric inflator, but I wanted something which is manual. Though it says electric, but it is manual. And I wanted this for travel purpose. Suppose I'm traveling somewhere on my bike and I don't have any option to fill the air, so I wanted a manual and a small size. So I got this from Amazon. It came for 350 rupees, I said. The box, there is no name of the company. It just says electric car series. I think the person has used a wrong box, but the product is correct. So the product looks exactly same, and it says electric car series accessories. So no logic. However, let's open and see how the product is. So let me open this. On this product, the MRP is 999. So yes, it is very small. This is what I exactly wanted. It has the pressure meter on this, a small cable, and I have already a manual pump which we use in cycle, so I have compared the quality. This quality is better, so I'm sure it will go for some time, and if it get damaged, you can easily buy from local cycle shop for 50 rupees. So you have to press this, open it. On the first impression, it is really good product. I also get two accessories. These are used to fill air in footballs. And there are two options. One is for cycle and one is for your bikes. So fantastic product, 5-star, worth of 350 rupees. I'm sure in local market you can get it for 250, but of course, to go in a shop, then buy, you have to put time, petrol. So always good to buy at home. I hope you like this product. Please request you to subscribe my channel, like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.